Welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm Gagana V from Sri Venkateshwara College of Engineering. Today I'm here to explain few topics related to data structures and algorithms in C. Today I'll be explaining about insertion and deletion of the following with examples in C language. First is our structure, second comes stacks where we'll be learning about the push and pop. Third is the queue where we'll be learning different techniques, how to insert and delete, and then we'll be winding it off with the linked list. Okay, what is structure? A structure is a user-defined data type that groups variables of different types under a single name. It allows you to create, record, or objects that encapsulate related data together. We'll head over to see general syntax of structure. Here we see that the structure always begins with the keyword so-called struct and then the name of the structure. Yeah. And then when you declare variables under structure, you're always supposed to use the data type and then the name of the variable. Here are some example. Here we can see that first we use struct students, struct which is the keyword, and then students which is the structure's name, and then int char float which are the data types of the variables which we declare. Then heading over to stack, LIFO. What is LIFO? LIFO is basically last in, first out. Just like the one who keeps the book at the last will be the first one to get the books after the teacher corrects it. So it's basically like once the teacher starts correcting the first book, and then she reaches the last book. So the one who keeps the book at the last, at the end, his book will be corrected at the first. It's basically like that. So concept is a linear data structure where elements are added and removed from the same end. Operation adds an element to the top of the stack. And what exactly is pusher value? That means adds an element at the top. You must always remember at the top of the stack. And pop removes and returns the element from the top of the stack. Here is a basic simple program we can see. We are using the hash include standard input output dot head, and then we int our max size, and then we have to place it on top. So then we are basically placing it on top, and then we are using the void push function int value if top is equal to max size -1, then printf stack overflow, else return stack plus plus top value. Then now we are popping int pop. If pop top is equal to -1, printf stack overflow and return 1, or return stack top minus, and then we are printing whatever the objects which is being popped. Now, then comes our queues, where we use the principle of FIFO, which is basically called first in and first out. The concept is a linear data structure where elements are added at the rec, that is back, and removed from the front. So operation which involves here is enqueue adds an element to the rear of the queue, and dequeue removes an element from the front of the queue. Here we can see another example. Int q max size, int front is equal to -1 and int rear is equal to -1. Void int q int value if a rear plus 1 percent max size is equal to front. Printf q overflow return if flow is equal to -1, front is equal to 0. Rear is equal to rear plus 1 percent max size, q rear is equal to value. Int dq if front is equal to -1, print q underflow, return -1, int value is equal to q front, if front is equal to rear, front is equal to rear, which is equal to -1, else front is equal to front plus 1, percent max size, return value, and then we again print all the dq'd. Coming to the last concept, which is the linked list, a linear data structure where elements are connected by links, nodes, store data, and pointer to the next node. The operation which we perform here is insert at the beginning, insert at the end, insert after. Inserts a new node at the beginning of the list, inserts a new node at the end of the list, and then inserts a. Thank you. Hope you like this video. Please do like and subscribe. Thank you so much.